What up, YouTube, and all my Ryker riders out here with my boy Martin.
What's up?
Martin, what you got?
I got the new iPhone. What's up?
That's right, Martin got the iPhone. He said, yo, we're going to shoot a video, make a movie out of you riding your Ryker. So right now, we out here, we're going to film it. We're going to drop some little clips on you, give you a teaser trailer, and then later on, we'll premiere the whole movie shot by my man Martin.
Hopefully it turns out good, all right?
Stay tuned, YouTube.
Subscribe, follow.